Good morning, everybody. Hi from Lahore in Pakistan. My name is 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏. I come from far away. I come from Germany, and in Germany from a city called Heidelberg. I'm the director of internationalization coordination of a hotel management school in Heidelberg, and I'm also the president of an organization called Jobs for Your Future. I'm here in Pakistan to, explore possibilities to inspire young Pakistani students of culinary arts and hospitality to consider working in my country. Because in Germany we have a lack of qualified, skilled personnel, especially in the hospitality business, but also in other businesses. I am here at COTHM in Lahore. This is a partner school of my organization, and I've just been given a tour of the new premises, of the new school building, and I have to say I absolutely am passionate about what I'm seeing here. I'm looking outside and there is a green garden where students are taking their breaks. I have been to classrooms with mirrors where culinary practices are displayed. I've been to labs where even a 16-year-old young lady, very professional young lady, gives classes for kids to learn about chocolate and sweets. I've been to the library, which is absolutely fantastic, a great selection of books from the English-speaking world, most of all from America, and then access via technology, via computers, to the libraries of the world. I have seen this school, visited this school already 4 years ago, because we have been cooperating now for 4 years, and I must say what has happened here is to me almost like a quantum leap, and also very modern. On the rooftop garden there is a green area where COTHM is growing their own herbs and veggies for cooking, and this is sort of the latest thing in Europe, to go back to the roots and to healthy and sustainable living, and I'm very pleased to see this here. In general, I have to say I'm impressed by Pakistan and by Lahore. So much is growing, such a positive spirit, and my feeling is that people here have used the COVID-19 lockdown not to sit back and complain like it's happened a lot in my country, but really to advance and get new technology in and motivate and inspire young people to invest into their own future, and that's a pleasure to see.